Hey, 8th graders, it's Mrs. Harmon. Welcome to your e-learning lesson. Really excited about putting this together for you, and I think you will find that it's going to run just like one of our regular class sessions. So, this should have been the first screen that you looked at when you got into your e-learning lesson. And you will need several things before you get started. You need a device, which you probably already have, your journal, Scope magazine, and the nonfiction quiz printout. So you got off lucky. Instead of a whole packet, you just have a quiz sheet. In your journal, if you will please complete your DOL, that will need to be turned in for 5 points. Next, you will be watching this video, hopefully, and I want you to be thinking about what we have learned so far in our class about the Holocaust. And the article that I have picked for you to read from the Scope magazine tells a story from a teenager's point of view, how the Holocaust was for a teenager. And I think you will find it very interesting how this young man in the article is able to be so brave and to have so many ideas of his own about how things were not right when the Nazis were in control and things like that. So I also want you to think about these questions. Why is it important to learn about the Holocaust? How can we develop tolerance? And why is it important to speak up? Okay. Next, you will be watching a very short intro video about this young man's experience documenting the Holocaust. You will be reading the article in the Scope magazine, Teens Against Hitler. If you prefer to listen to the article, you need to go to the extension slide number 9, and the audio is there for you. Once you have read the Scope article or listened to the Scope article, you will be completing the nonfiction quiz. You may get a printed version from me, or you may do the interactive version, which is a PDF. You would have to download that, complete it, save it to your desktop, and then attach it to an email back to me. Number 1 through 6 is what you're responsible for. 7 or 8 you will need to do in Yes Ma'am strategy format. Once you have completed that, you have an Achieve article to do called Global Conflicts. Teens Save a Hero's Story. That will be for 20 points for a grade. If you score 75, 80, or 100, you may get a ticket after you have completed that. All right, have fun. Here's the extension if you want to listen to it. Here is the Yes Ma'am strategy in case you need that for review. If you have any questions, I am available Tuesday and Thursday afternoon, okay, specifically for my office hours, or you can always reach me at school or by email. Have fun!